This is your how-to execution overarching model, your sales system. It goes for 50 million on La Boutique. You never had this before, so make sure you access it. We have a 5% discount apply on all our model. We have a prospect lead model for you to buy that goes for 20 million pounds, and we have your innovation, the mother of all customer acquisition, to help you create a product and manufacture a product using solid strategic system put in place by girlfridays.com. We have updated the description, the short description on La Boutique. View the offer and purchase it. Our model are for businesses worldwide, including universities. Okay. And I say worldwide. The currency is in pound, but La Boutique can translate into convert into your own currency. But basically we prefer pound and dollar. Yes? And you can pay in full payment. Everybody can. If you got the money, it's time to buy. If you don't have the money to buy the model, the strategies, you can buy the book. The core asset plus the seller, a winner combination, which is mentioned at the bottom of the model. The execution model. This is an how-to execution overarching model. We just find that out today. It's not just your sales system. No. It's how to execute sell. Therefore, this selling method, because it's a method, goes for 50 million pounds. And you can pay in full, and you got a 5% discount. But we do have your prospect lead sell system and your innovation sales system. We can help you create a product and manufacture a product. The innovation model goes for 30 million. The prospect lead model goes for 20 million, and obviously the sale model goes for 50 million. Access La Boutique today. And while you're there, at Girl Friday, we always want you to read more. It's ever so important, reading. I can't stress it. It is ever so important to read, because when you read, you get ideas. ideas come in your head and you can start creating. Okay, there's also my bath. Relaxation and visualization is a big thing. Meditation too. But I've been meditating since I'm a child. I've been in my bath since my mom put me there. And I always slept in my bath and meditated. So there's nothing new. The person who was doing this back in the day before I was born was Molière, the poet. Yeah. The water was good for him and he created all his poems this way. So I'm not the first person who creates things from the water. Water is magical. But in the meantime, in terms of business, you have sell solution to acquire prospect, sell and innovate. You have now not the marketing mix, but the sell mix. PSI. Get on it today. This offer is for any business who can afford their sales system to get it separately. I already promoted that so often for you. So now you should access it. And the core asset plus the seller, that for small businesses, not large businesses, small businesses. Our customer for SME to grow larger. It costs you £72.99. And for postgraduate at university who study an MBA or an MA or any business course, have the playbook, the core asset of marketing with visual implementation, support system, the seller. And that's £62.99. The seller costs a little over £2,000 and more. But then again, it's attached to a book where you got to go and get the password for it. Because I didn't want to make it that easy for people. You always have to have a little difficulty, isn't it? Nothing is easy in this life. Even though I think everything is easy. Always thought like this. Maybe that's my makeup, how I was born, and my dyslexia brain. Right. Bye for me. girlfridays.com